Saturday, the 11th of April, 2026, 6:30. This is the first night or low light video with the S26 Ultra. We got it set at ultra high definition. It should show at 4K, but I haven't learned these settings yet. It's been defaulting to 1080. 6:30, 50 degrees, Oconee County, Georgia. We're headed to Hull, Georgia, to Angie's to get us a cat head biscuit. What kind of biscuit do y'all want? They have a lot of variety. Saturday morning, I'm quite sure they will be busy. We'll get a biscuit, get back, get to work on our transferring data to the crucial hard drive. The SSD, getting a lot of stuff off the computer where we will finally have some room. Then we've got to get stuff off memory cards, phones. We have, with the help of our Google AI assistant, our girl, we have downloaded a different driver for the NVIDIA graphics card, and we have changed a couple of settings in the computer so that in this high-end Dell computer, so that we can actually process 8K video at a semi-reasonable rate. I'm not sure what we're going to do with them. YouTube compresses them to a point where they're nowhere near 8K, and DEVOR is not monetizing us yet, if ever, and I have no intentions, as difficult or as time-consuming the hardware, money, and everything else that's involved in getting 8K video. I have no intention of investing all of my time, money, and computing stuff just to give them, build their 8K library free for them. So if they don't monetize us, we will not be providing them free 8K library video lab for their library just to build up. They're going to have to pay us if they want us to play. Those lights look pretty bright. I don't know if he had them on bright or not. Looked like those were bright as well. We just have ours on regular dim or whatever you want to call it. We meant to get out sooner, but we didn't do it. We've been working already. We got up a little before 5, and we've been working on the transferring files, doing the computer stuff. So please like, share, and subscribe. We have taken a leap of faith that we're going to be able to get out on the road by the end of April at least. We have bought a jump box. Actually, this thing didn't crank the other day. Battery tested good, but I don't want to get somewhere where I go can't get it cranked. So I've got a jump box. We got this crucial SSD hard drive. What else did we get? We have several things to review, but that was a pretty significant investment. We need views, watch hours, and subscribers to help pay or help pay for all this stuff we just bought. There's the bright light version. I guess our 2019 has become our mainline vehicle. Getting 17.5 average miles per gallon. We get on the road, it jumps up to about 18.2 or 19 if we're on the freeway. Our average speed is 31.8. We now have 178,832 miles on it. We bought it with 163,750, I think, something like that. So we put 15,000 miles on this vehicle. Doesn't seem like it, does it? To Angie's one day last week. It was later in the morning and the line was backed up down the sidewall and all the way across the back wall, so we left. This S26Ultra, we got the service with T-Mobile, and where we are cat sitting, T-Mobile service and Verizon service is almost identical. In other words, worthless. But most of the places we've gone so far, we have had much better coverage with T-Mobile than Verizon. We've got to adjust our plans some. I said that again, a leap of faith. We got the phone free, but we're having to pay for this service on T-Mobile. We got 250 gigabytes of hotspot with it. So we may cut a line or even two off of Verizon, but when we do that, we lose our multi-line discount. So, you know, I don't know which is going to be the most economical, but we need to cut our phone bills by about $75 a month. We want to keep Verizon because we use the Verizon charge card and we get 4%, a full 4% at gas and all food, whether it's quick food, fast food, or grocery store. We get 4% back. That's significant. If we can just use the Verizon for gas and food, we can save about $40 a month. Yep, that's right. We usually use between gas and food about $1,000 a month. That's over half of our Social Security right there. Each one of these videos is its own separate passive income stream, but you know, it's not pennies. We need videos to start hitting 15, 20,000 views. Well, he's lit up. That's a smart thing to do. These people get out and walk or run or bicycle in dark clothes with no reflective stuff on them. It's a wonder they've lived as long as they have. Okay, we're at what, 10 minutes and 30 seconds? Let's turn it off till we get to Angie's, and this has been a pretty good test. We'll turn it on when we pull into Angie's and let y'all see that. And then we will show you the biscuit. Don't want to tempt you without showing you the prize. And then we will start uploading this one. So again, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell us what you think about the videos, what you want to do, what you want to see. No, that's not where we want to turn. We want to let that guy get by. Running our mouth and not paying attention to where we're at. We have to pay attention. Turn it around right quick and let y'all see me in the dark. There, you can't see me. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this one off. We're headed to Angie's. It's 50 degrees, 11th of April. Okay, this place has been bought out. They swear it's going to stay the same, just the improvements, and they're not changing anything. Employees, prices, well, not price, I've already noticed prices have gone up, but employees, menu, just the improvements are changing. It's been my experience, folks. It may take a year, but from my experience, once one of your favorite places gets bought out, it changes. Things are never the same, but we'll see. We'll see.